Hey everybody, and welcome to Wreckfest 2. So, if you ever played a driving game like Fast and Furious, Need for Speed, that's the one. The other one's a movie. So that Need for Speed and Gran Turismo, Grid. Oh, there's 101 racing games. And you've ever thought that I would really like to just wreck the car next to me or the car that's beating me? Well, Wreckfest 2 might be for you. So it's got quite realistic um, car damage and deformation. We're gonna go in. We're gonna spend a few minutes. You can see what it's like. We're just gonna hop into like a single player quick race. Um, Quick disclaimer just before we get into it: this game is still in development, so not all the features that are going to be in the full release are implemented just yet. They only have like a handful of cars, so it's closer to approximate this to like an early demo. It is a paid demo right now, unfortunately, but it shows some good promise rather. So we're gonna go in. We're gonna see what we can do. Just give the game a little bit of a showcase, and then you can decide for yourself if you want to give it a go or not. So this is, I guess, just the car you start with. We have tried a match or two just to make sure the settings and whatnot are all good, and I know the controls. I am using a controller. You can play on mouse and keyboard, but I think controller is good. All right, we got the red car. Got the red car. Um, so there's a real risk when playing this game of just not finishing the race. Very real risk of that. Just getting totally wrecked and not finishing the race at all. So, um, hopefully, hopefully that doesn't happen, but it could. Very, very, very much could. You get out of the way. Bot 6. Oh, there's someone's facing the wrong way. Push him. Yes, yes. Oh my goodness. We wanna try and get in front with those other cars over there. Okay, okay. Don't you turn me. Don't you turn me. Oh, he's turning me, you son of a gun. Right. Here we go back. So we got a little bit of catching up to do now. Okay. Now the cars are oh, you can see a little bit of damage. A little damage. Cars are all pretty much the same speed, so if you're sticking with the pack, it's difficult to get ahead, and if you're behind, it's difficult to catch up. But we'll see what we can do. You know, if they crash a little bit, they do a little bit of crashing, maybe we'll catch up. Once you're out in front, though, like there's not much you're going to be crashing into, so it really does reward. Whoa! Right? Really does reward kind of getting out in front and staying in front. You don't have to deal with any of this. Oh, that was a near miss. Okay, okay. We are near the back, so if you're near the back and you're right in front, you do run the risk, I guess, of getting hit in those crossroads. Okay. Oh, don't you do it. Our car is looking all kinds of banged up right now. Hey guys. Oh! Get out of here. Get out of here. Okay. Oh. Turn. Turn. So there's your standard racing mechanics, acceleration, braking. You know, that's karma. I get it. I get it. How's the front looking? Oh, can we slip through? Oh, we slipped through. Oh, steering is taking a beating. Whenever you get hit at the bottom left, it'll tell you kind of what's being damaged on your car. So if you start to wonder why you can't turn so well, it might pop up down there as to why. Alright. What lap are we on? Third lap? Okay. Oh, that sideswiped almost. Oh, at the bottom left as well, it kind of shows you not only the damage to your car, but your total health pool. You can see mine's at 75 right now. If that hits 0, you are a dead. You push me into the wall. Oh! Okay. How's the front of my car look now? Got a little dent where the pole hit it. Okay. So, fun fact, you can reset your car. That is a thing you can do. Especially if you end up on your roof like that, it's probably something you want to do. We got some catching up to do here. What's the last lap? So we're probably not winning this one, but honestly, I don't think I've won many. I think I had like 3 races, and I think I came 3rd once. So it's definitely not common. Nice. Get out of the way. Oh, we pushed him into 10th place. So so there's Wreckfest 2. So I believe there's 2 game modes. So I'm just gonna hop out of here real quick. And let's there's also, I can show you the cars real quick. If you go over, like I said, there's not many cars. Oh, okay. So there's the Rocket, American one, European one. Try the little guy, give him a go. And then if we go into the races, so we just tried the scrapyard. There is the testing grounds. I haven't seen this. I guess we can go and give it a try. Sure. You can pick how many cars you want, time limit. Take this. Well, this is a demolition deathmatch. Okay. So demolition deathmatch is essentially take this way down. Demolition deathmatch is essentially wreck as many cars as you can. So we're gonna go maybe for like a 5 minute. 5 minutes here. All the way down. Yep. Car damage. Oh, you can also change this to realistic, wrecker, or normal. We just played around with it on normal. Let's see what wrecker looks like. I would imagine that the destruction is going to be quite a bit more. Let's see. All right. This looks wild. This looks wild. Right, there's little. Woo! Oh my goodness! So the camera's doing some crazy stuff. Okay. Where's this go? Oh my goodness. Good, let me back in. Okay, that guy is now using a narrow body. Dare you. Bot 28, huh? Bonk. Ow. Look at the front of our car. I got you in my sights, number 13. So as you wreck cars, you get that number on the top left there goes up. Oh. we don't have a wheel. Don't have a wheel down there. I'm not seeing a health pool. So maybe, oh, forgot about that. Alright. End my suffering. And end my suffering. Are we dead? We are no, we're still moving. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, we got this. We got this. Let's see if we can get to the top of the hill. Top of the hill. No! Alright, we got one wheel. We got one wheel, let's go. We got one wheel. Hey. Stop it. You stop. I'm surprised. I am surprised we lasted that long. Hey, we can restore. We can respawn. Okay, let's do that. We're back to new. Back to new. Get in my way. Get in my way. We're going up. We're going up. Oh. We're trying to go up. Oh, there's a car busy doing somersaults over there. Okay. Don't mind me. Okay. Up here. Early access? Oh, okay, it's just a little... Let me go see, like... Let me go see outside here real quick. So basically, you're just, like... You're just wrecking things until... Oh, I overshot it. No. 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 Okay, let's try that again. That looks like a lot of fun. Try that again. There's a car. Look at the car in the distance. Okay. Can we make this one? Oh. Oh, oh, we went too high? Went too high. Okay, okay. What's that big ball thing over there? Okay, there's a lot to play with here. Honestly, I've never done this side of the... Never done this side of the, Sorry, I've never done this map, so I'm just so excited. I see so many things. Woo! Oh. Okay. Hey, and he lands it. Let's go try... Oh, I see some squishers. We got 40 seconds. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. We're toast. We're toast. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Look at what's left of the... Look at the driver. Look at the driver. Oh no. Alright. So, I mean, this is really fun though. This is very fun. Alright. Okay, so you can see there was basically one car that got wrecked, and that must have been me in the arena, and bot 35 did it. That criminal. That despicable individual. Anyways, and then bot 20 got an assist. So he gets 500 for an assist and 1,000 for a wreck. This map's not very good for this kind of a game mode. Let's go back. I'll show you the other map. Car again. Try this one. And then we can do speed derby. You know? So demolition again. Like you can take this all the way. Okay, take it. Okay, 24 is the max. Wrecker, and then we can do more realistic. So cars aren't just like getting completely turned into toothpicks. Yeah, let's try this. This is outside of like the racing, right? You can do normal racing like the first one, and then you have matches like this where it's basically whoever gets the most wrecks wins. I'm sure there will be more game modes coming. Like I said, the game is in early access. But my radiator is leaking, so there's that. Build up some speed here. Nice. Looking for a target. Found target. Oh, was shot target. Hit myself. Yeah, sounds about right. Didn't see the little ramp there. The ramp. Hey, you leave him alone. Bot number 14. Okay, picking up speed, picking up speed. Target sighted. Got him. Oh. Someone's already... So, I think you can respawn like that when you get wrecked. Someone got wrecked already. Oh, okay. We got a wrecking assist. 500 points. And we got wrecked. Alright, let's go again. So your goal is really to try and find like these guys who are like really low and try to finish them off basically. Oh, someone got him. Somebody got him. This guy, he's dead already. Okay. All right. Oh, he just died. Oh, we got one. We got one. But you... Oh, that is a wall. Okay, let's go ahead and reset. You are dead. Alright. Anyone still alive out here? You're moving. Oof. Okay. Front of our car is a little bit wrecked. Mind the pun. Oh no, we lost our wheel. Lost our wheel. Oh, okay. We lost everything. Oh, if we spawned a little bit sooner, might have been able to get that guy. Now. Guess we're going this way. Hey, buddy. Engine damage, tire flat. We don't care about that. We just wreck. We live to wreck. Gotcha. Well, he was really on health. Thought he was dead actually, but turns out that was not the case. You alive? Oh, you're in good condition. I am not. Oh, you gotta go up from the other side. Okay, hold on. Got this. Okay. Listen, I'm just trying to get up the ramp, guys. I'm just trying to get... I got no wheel now. I got no wheel. See what you guys did? Hmm? Alright. The ramp wasn't even that exciting, I'll be honest. Alright, we gotta reset. Reset, rethink. Rethink our strategies. Build up some speed, build up some speed. How's our other wheel look? Okay, so we got three good wheels. Hey. Thought we had him. Thought we had that guy. Alright. 8th out of 24? Nah, not All right. Well, there you have it. That is Wreckfest 2. Um, there's a couple other things you can do. I haven't had much success with the multiplayer. It seems kind of hit or miss. Again, the game's still early access. The Find Match doesn't really work, which is kind of like a quick play option, and then the server browser, it's kind of difficult to get into a lobby. Um, but yeah, that's the game. We'll be keeping an eye on it. Maybe if it gets some future updates, we'll hop in and give it another try. That'll be it for now. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.